Good day. Welcome to this lecture series in Godot.
Hello, good day, welcome back. In this video, we will create the enemy for our game. This will be the first video for creating the enemy. So let's go ahead and get started. So now that we can shoot rockets from the script, so let's go to 2D, press play. We can shoot. There should be some kind of enemy or some kind of thing to shoot the rockets at. Script. So we need to create an enemy scene. The enemy scene will be very similar to the rocket scene. So we'll make it with an area 2D. So what you can do, create the enemy scene and movement, create a new scene with an area 2D and sprite 2D and collision shape 2D, create a new script and make the enemy move to the left. So let's start this challenge. So you'll start by creating a new scene, and it's going to be an area 2D. Select this node here, click create. We'll rename this to enemy, and we will save this to our scenes folder. So it will be called enemy scene. So let's go here and create a sprite 2D and collision shape 2D. So type sprite and select the enemy, create collision shape. The sprite will use the enemy ship.png. So go back to inspector and see texture here. Remember, texture is where you put images. So drag this across to here. Transform, rotation, let's see, 180. No, 180 will make it that way, so let's put minus 90. Go into 2D. Alright, so we get it correct. It's kind of huge. Select this. Yeah. Okay, so press undo, long shift, and I think you have to select. And this back here. So let's go to the game scene and let's instance an enemy. Instance the enemy here. Let's just test this. So you want to see this. Okay, so I'm not seeing this. Let's see the background, see index 0, enemy, let's see, it's 1, I wonder if I didn't save, control S save, alright, see what I mean, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, press undo, select enemy, select this there, it's still a bit too big enough, so let's go and change the size. So enemy scale 0.2, let's put scale at 0.1. Okay, so it's smaller. Let's put save. Okay, that's too small. So enemy, put back at same 0.2. Save. We'll work with this. You know the enemy can really be better than a spaceship, huh? So let's put this at 0.3. We'll work with this. Kind of big, but we'll work with this. Now this is just a bit of cosmetics. So go to the enemy scene. Grab this here. You will flip this. So go to offset. Horizontal. So you just change the lighting from on top here make down here darker, but that's just cosmetic. I mean, you didn't really have to do this, but let's do a little something. So now let's work on the collision shape. So go to the enemy and select the collision shape. We will select capsule. We will adjust the size. Now we have an option. We can make this bigger here and just call the 14 like this, but we won't do that. We'll just keep like this. Drag this a bit here. Drag this here. And let's position this. And enemy collision shape 2D. Create. Shape. Capsule shape. So I'll work with this. So the next thing you have to do is to create the movements for the enemy. So select the enemy here and you select here that attach your script. We need to we put it in the scripts folder. You could test type scripts here, but I'll do it the old fashioned way, all the tools I showed you. So go up, scripts, and select create. So it now has this script icon here, so it has a script. To here, right, export via 3300. Add export var variable. So next we need to create the physics process function. Press Alt up. Alt up. Because you want to make the enemy move. So I just put the pass here to just get rid of the error that was happening here. So now on here then we move. So you want to type global position dot x because you want it to move on the x-axis. This is the code here. Global position global underscore position dot x plus equal minus speed by delta. So we have the speed here. We can access the speed here. We can make this a bit slower. So the default value would be 300, but we could just change it here to 200. You could test this. Okay, we're not seeing the enemy. Maybe because it's the order. Put it 2D. So select. Enemy needs to be ordering. Ordering is the index is 1. Player index is 1. Rocket index is 1. The game background index is 0. Play. You see my now. I don't know why it was saved before. So we could shoot the enemy, but well, of course, the enemy has gone off the screen, but we'll address it in a while. We could shoot the enemy, but we can't really make contact with it because we didn't select that effects, but the enemy is moving forward from right to left. So, we achieved the objectives for this video, so I'll end this video here. Thank you.